Okay, we're in Wildwood. They're having a Route 66 cruise this weekend. There's lots of activities going on. I'm watching the car cruise. I have mentioned before that I live off of historic Route 66, so this is pretty cool. I'll just walk to this from my house. I like these old ones right here. That is a mobster car. I really like that one. Oh, that's a Camino. John let me drive his old Camino. He did look like an El Camino guy. It was a baby blue El Camino I would drive. And then he had an old Bronco that I would drive too. What's this one? What is that? A Corvette? Oh, is this a Corvette too? That's neat. He is dressed. What's that? Oh, it's the Corvette. They're all Corvettes. There is a lot of Corvettes in the area. What is that? That's not our old car. Oh, look at this guy. Oh no! Oh my god! That's cool. Here we go. That's a Mustang. I like that one. Oh, what is this? I don't know what that is. Is that a Chevrolet? I don't know. This is just a Honda. Is he part of the car cruise? Should anyone be part of the car cruise? This lady's just gonna walk right out and get hit. She does a special race. Oh, that's neat. Oh my god! My first boyfriend had that car! Oh my gosh. Oh, there's an old truck. I really like we're at the beginning and everyone's revving. It's funny.
Look at that. That's not old, but it's older.
It is older. I like it. What do we got? Oh, that's old. Of course it's all old guys.
I'm old. I'm old.
I know. What car? You're at that age. You need to
I'm
start
not at that age yet.
What car are you going to get?
None of these guys are my age.
If you're getting any car, you're getting a DeLorean. Oh,
These guys are all like 20 years old.
Is that my old Mustang?
That's your car.
Was that a Mustang? That was the collar I had.
How many cars are coming out that way? It's like a
I
car.
didn't realize we had this many people in Wildwood. So anyway, along this Route 66, there's like 5 different stops, and they're gonna have like, food trucks and history and just all kinds of activities. Is that an old police? What is that? I think they're all excited they get a chance to speed without getting pulled over. This is another Corvette, right? That's a Corvette.
Lots of Corvettes.
You gotta have a truck.
I like that truck.
Oh, he's got Route 66 on his. Okay, that one's neat. What is that? Is that a Corvette?
Yep.
Yeah. 9 out of 10 times, these are Corvettes.
Just keep saying that eventually you get her.
I know someone in this area has a Lamborghini. I'm waiting for the Lamborghini.
Several people have Lamborghinis. What is that?
That's kind of neat. I couldn't see the emblem on the back. It looked like it had wings on it. What's car emblem is that?
Yeah, I don't know enough about
How'd that lady get through? Jeez Louise. Yeah, lady.
it. What is she doing?
Oh wait, there's the Jurassic Park vehicle. I know, right? Yeah.
Wow.
You always got someone who ruins the parade route.
I didn't realize that many cars.
I guess she turned right out of that subdivision and the cop couldn't stop her in time. That one's neat.
That's a nice
Oh my god, that looks like my Uncle Bob. I think that was my Uncle Bob.
My friend had a car like that.
Yeah, I think I knew someone who had a blue one.
He used to want to race everybody. He just couldn't control himself.
Yeah.
How many times we got pulled over in that stupid car? Lord. You're always.
Uh-oh, there's a backup back there.
Good, they need a backup.
Don't go too fast.
That's a nice one too.
I don't, is she part of the route? Are we
No.
done here? I think we're done.
I think that's
I
it.
think we're done. All right, we could hear this car, Model T. He couldn't make it. It looks like that car is jump starting him.
I don't know what kind of car that is though. It's like older than old. Does it have the stick steering?
I don't know, it's pretty cool. We didn't get any ice cream. It's probably because he couldn't drive back there because of all the cars. Yep, that's what he's
Yeah,
doing.
you're right, yeah.
He's driving back there now. It's pretty cool. Are they gonna? They got it working. All right, we're walking back home. This was where the stage end was. I'm sure that this is one of the vehicles that had a fancy car. So yeah, last night they had a live band at the town center. We did not go because my allergies are killing me. Today they have lots of little activities, and then tomorrow at Big Chief Roadhouse, they're like having a, I don't know, what was it called? Like a way marker ceremony where there's going to be a marker because like Big Chief Roadhouse is one of the last original Route 66 restaurants, and I've had a video of us visiting there, eating there. We've ate there numerous times, and I posted that a couple months ago, the last one. Anyway, we're not doing any of the celebration today. We might go to Roadhouse tomorrow, maybe not, because also this weekend in St. Louis is the Big Boy train that's traveling across the U.S. The biggest, oldest historic train is reaching St. Louis today, and lots of the surrounding towns in I always say St. Louis, but you know, you got towns surrounding it. Like, name a couple towns, Robert. Like Union, Union, Pacific, Herman. So they're all having little celebrations because of this historic train that's traveling across the U.S. reaching St. Louis today. And then they're having like a private event tonight. Tomorrow it's going to be at Union Station. So it just happens to be the same weekend as Wildwood's Route 66. We're, as much as I love Route 66, we're more interested in that train. So we're going to go try to chase the train today to see it arrive in St. Louis. And then tomorrow we're going to Union Station, and I'll have a separate video on that. So this is the only... There's one of the cars. This is the only Route 66 Wildwood celebration video that I'll probably have because I'm more interested in the historic train that is traveling across the U.S. in celebration of America's 250th anniversary. So yeah, here's another vintage car. I imagine we're going to see a bunch of them today. Not everyone was here for the... Is that a... That's just wood. I thought he had a surfboard on top of his car. Anyway, so I'm sure there's a lot of cars coming in, not just the parade cars, to do these celebrations today. And then at several, like there's 5 different stops on Route 66, and several of them have mini car shows. And so these people might be going to that mini car show. So it's going to be very crowded. It's going to be very busy. And I have covered a lot of Route 66 stuff. It's just too bad that it's happening at the same time that the Big Boy train is arriving. So, but yeah, just someone hauling mowers. One last thing. So this is the flyer that the town mailed. I do love my town. They keep us informed. And this is just talking about all the weekend activities. So yeah, we're right on basically the ending of Old Manchester, which is part of the Route 66. The town also brought in a trolley service for this event, which I think is kind of cool. So there's like 5 stops along this old Route 66, and there's nowhere to like really pull over along this route. Like you just can't park on the side of the road very easily, but there's a couple big parking lots like the Schnucks parking lot and the Deerbergs parking lot. So the idea is you park in one of those big parking lots and then get on the trolley and it will do those 5 stops. So even though this whole thing is only like 2 or 3 miles long, it's going to be jam-packed, and so I just think it's really smart of them to bring in the trolley. So anyway, thanks for watching.